Hey, boss man. Hey, boss man. Not interested? You want to go in and help Kevy? Dude, you're kind of like falling off the rack there. You're barely on. Look at that. Hey. You want to say hi to your fans? Goof. Alright, so Jerry and Kevin got this floor just about wrapped up. It's coming along real nicely. Pretty happy with how we're looking here. We got all the spot welds ground, and now we're just laying down a little seam sealer today. Should have this thing wrapped up tomorrow. Of course, I forgot to get plugs, so those will be here shortly. The Dynamat destroyed all the other ones, of course. My bad. But yeah, our Roadrunner floor is just about done. Kevin's going to lay a little seam sealer here, finish this up. And then we got to treat this, and we are going to put Dynamat back in. Customer requested it. And because we can't paint, we'll do a primer in here as well and wrap her up. So we're just about on the home stretch of getting our Roadrunner floor done. Ooh, look at that. Seam sealer going in. And Kevy will just smooth that out and we'll have it wrapped up. We went to the epoxy seam sealers because they cure quickly. We use them on our chassis work all the time, especially when we're doing Toyota Rust. Alright, well, we're on the home stretch of our Roadrunner floor. She's coming along well. Jerry's got the floor all welded in, seam sealed, got her plugs in, and now we're doing a little Dynamat. Got all the holes drilled for the seats. Got our 4-speed little humpy bumpy in there. It's looking good. Should have this thing wrapped up shortly. Alright, so we're on the final steps here of the Roadrunner floor project. We got Matthew and Kevy under here doing a little undercoating today. You kind of know how to do that, buddy. Looks nice. Very nice. Now, once we get all this done, then it'll be lines and drive line. And we'll be able to deliver this